Here are 4 apps I love for Instagram stories. StoryArt. This app showcases a lot of unique story templates that you can choose from and also has templates like highlight covers and more. A design kit. This app is so much fun to use. It has fonts, textures, filters, and a lot more to play around with. It's definitely different from the rest. Unfold. This is a classic story template app that is constantly adding in new templates and features to try. Super easy to use. Moho. This app is a lot of fun to add videos and animations to your Instagram stories and so much more. You will not be disappointed with this one. Now I'm wondering, what apps do you like to use for Instagram stories? Let me know below.